Inspector is more than a marketing software. If you want to get your feet wet in the t-shirt print-on-demand world, then the Inspector might be just what you are looking for. On top of the Inspector tool with help tutorials, you also get the Tee Marketing System training course, access to the Tee Profits by Web app, a design package with ads and source, the TeeContest WP plugin, and a personal fonts package. To see exactly what you can expect from the Inspector, check out the video below. Inspector pretty much covers everything you need to make some serious cash online selling t-shirts over print-on-demand services like Teesping, etc. How much cash you can make selling t-shirts on Teespring Sunfrogshirts. There are many people who are earning between $1,000 and $100,000 extra per month on Teespring Sunfrogshirts. Anybody can start designing shirts with no upfront costs or advanced skills. If you learn how to research your niche and how to drive traffic to your t-shirts, you can expect to make a lot of cash in a very short period of time. That's what Inspector is all about, and that's why I have buy it myself. Should you consider selling t-shirts online? As an entrepreneur, I'm always looking for new ways to make cash online. And I recommend you do that too, as it's always smart to discover new streams of income rather than depending on a single money stream. Selling t-shirts online is one of the easiest things you can do these days. T-shirt design is not as complicated as it seems to be. In fact, you can come up with many great designs just by using the free Teespring Sunfrogshirts online designer. Keep in mind that your shirts can use text or images or a combination of both. Teespring Sunfrogshirts provides over 10,000 cliparts, which enables you to design good-looking shirts in few minutes. Also inside Inspector, Dave take you by hand and show you step by step how to create your own t-shirt designs from scratch. If you want to create more fancy designs and styles, you'll like what Dave teaches inside Inspector. Does Inspector training only work for Teespring Sunfrogshirts? No, Inspector training shows you everything you need to know in order to successfully design and sell t-shirts on Teespring Sunfrogshirts. However, you can apply the same principles and techniques to sell t-shirts anywhere else. Teespring Sunfrogshirts are the easiest and most popular, but if you'd like, you can also post your shirts on other similar sites